Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the live streaming feature in Band app. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Band app and then tap on your band. Tap on Post to start creating a post. Here, you can tap on the live streaming button to start streaming. Tap on the circle button on the top right corner and then select which camera you want to use. In a few seconds, your stream will start and you will be visible to your band members. You can copy the URL to this stream by tapping the three dots button on the bottom right corner. You can also adjust brightness or color filters of this stream from the buttons below. Once you are done streaming, tap on the X button on the top left corner and choose the stream to end. You can choose Save to Device to save the stream VOD into your phone, but I'm gonna press back and that's it. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.